Hey guys, welcome to AI Trader Walkthroughs. So this is going to be an explanation of the basic features of AI mode and OCO mode. So the first thing you want to do is click login or visit app.aitrader.ai. Once it loads up, I'm just going to wait for it to do that. Okay, so we're in. Over here you can see the exchange that you've chosen, and you can choose whatever exchange you like from the ones that we offer. Based on your exchange, you'll see your equity in USD. So over here we have BTC, BNB, ETH, USDT, and you can see that I have no money in these three, and I have some money in Bitcoin. Also, you can see how much of your equity is in use through AI Trader and how much is available. Let's go over here and see the trading results. So in a period of a month, the AI traded 40 times for me, and 28 of them were profitable and 12 of them were loss trades. Over here you can see dynamic equity per trade, which I will get more into as the video progresses. Realized profit and loss is 36.29, unrealized is 2.64. So over here, down here, you can see all the active trading strategies that you have chosen with AI mode. And this basically gives you a snapshot of your trading activity. So let's go into AI mode, where all the magic happens. So once you're over here, you're going to choose the base pair that you want to trade with, and the coins will sort automatically. So I'm going to take Bitcoin, obvious reasons why. Then you're going to choose the AI attitude. So we have three attitudes. We have cheetah, zebra, and elephant. As you can see in the tooltips, short term, medium term, and long term. Cheetah will trade around 3 to 4 to even 5 times a day. Zebra will trade around once a day, and elephant will trade once in 2 days, roughly speaking. And depending on what your preferences are in terms of time interval trading, you can pick one of these. After you've done that, then you have to choose a crypto pair. So for example, over here, let's say I want to trade with XRP BTC. What I'm going to do is click over here to set my equity. Once the pop-up's here, I can enter the amount of equity that I would like to trade with. 500 is the minimum, as you can see over here, because dynamic equity management is turned on. So DEM is basically a protocol that we've developed into our algorithm, where if the AI makes consecutive losses, it goes back in with a higher amount to recover those losses, just as a human would, but with the help of machine learning. So you can click this and uncheck dynamic equity management, and you can trade with a minimum of $50. So you can trade with $200 if you like. Well, that's too much. So $200, and then you can just click save and off you go. But we recommend to use $500 minimum with a dynamic equity management, because that's how we've seen the best results. So once your strategy is activated, you can basically look at all the live results over here. You can maintain, you can keep account of the volume, the trade enter rates, the buy rates, sell rates. Current dynamic equity will be displayed over here. So right now it's taken $50 and entered the trade. Live P&L will be displayed here. You can choose whether to pause and stop your strategy right over here. So that's basically how to use AI Trader on AI mode. Now let's go into OCO. Now this is really special because none of the exchanges in the world offer this feature where you actually have a stop loss and a take profit at the same time. That's why we call it OCO, because one counts as other is what it stands for. So it gives you manual control over the stop loss and take profit, and you can control your equity, and it gives you that sort of freedom. We also have these buy signals here that give you an indication of which pairs are more likely to be a good buy at that particular time. So you can use this to determine whether it's a good time, whether to go into a trade or not. All you have to do is just enter the amount over here, for example 200. Then you can enter your take profit right over here. I think 2% is good. Stop loss, let's be a bit more risky and make it 5. And then just click market buy, and this will just pop up just to make sure everything is good. Confirm, say yes, and the AI should then activate the strategy. And there you go. That's how you use AI Trader on AI mode and OCO mode. If you have any other questions, guys, see the links below, and happy trading.